According to a Google survey, it would really take 2 to 3 years to become a professional interior designer. What if I say an international curriculum would just take 11 months or 44 weeks to become a professional interior designer? Hi, my name is A.R. Raghav, a professional interior designer who studied in Singapore, Raffles School of Design, which is one of the best colleges in 7 continents. I'm able to find out a winning curriculum where anyone can take this international framework and become a professional interior designer in this 11 months. Your creation, your knowledge, your passion. Our international curriculum, our framework and our mind mapping methods. Combining all these together, we bring out a professional designer out of you. And now, if you're really interested, click the button below and register right now and get a free bonus of rupees 80,000 valid only for today.